Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to GIBS Business School. My name is Pranav J, a student of 4th Sem BBA. My experience in GIBS has been nothing less than an extravaganza in the last few years. From an ordinary student to the best manager, GIBS provided me with ample amount of experience and exposure over the years, giving me a corporate simulation and preparing me for the upcoming endeavors in the corporate world. The IRE program that is exclusively provided by GIBS had a huge impact on enhancing the skills I possess. IRE gives us an opportunity to connect with renowned corporate veterans and Shark Tank India fames, providing us a platform in understanding the business world from their point of view. Something that I would love to mention about is the faculty support that encourages us students to push beyond the boundaries and do things beyond ordinary, mend us into future leaders and entrepreneurs.